Samsung recently expanded its Galaxy M series lineup in India and the phone is looking pretty sweet. This is Samsung Galaxy M36 5G, an affordable powerhouse aiming to bring segment-leading features and even some AI innovations to your pocket. So, if you are curious about Samsung's latest offering, stick around because we are diving into everything that you need to know about the latest smartphone. शुरुआत करते हैं सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन से। भाई साहब पैसा कितना है? Samsung has launched the Galaxy M36 5G in India as an affordable yet feature-rich option with a starting price of Rs 16,499 including Rs 1,000 instant back discount. अब बात करते हैं डिज़ाइन की एंड डिस्प्ले की। The Galaxy M36 5G gets a stylish and durable look designed to complement your lifestyle. There are flat edges and a pill-shaped camera on the back panel. This is orange haze color option. There are two more color options, velvet black and serene green. On the front is a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus display with 120Hz refresh rate. This means super smooth scrolling and fluid animations. Plus, for added durability, the display is protected by a layer of Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. Now, what's powering this device? The Galaxy M36 5G comes with Exynos 1380 SoC, which is paired with up to 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. The phone runs on Android 15, topped with Samsung's very own One UI 7. The phone will receive 6 years of Android and security updates. Now, for all you shutterbugs out there, the Galaxy M36 5G packs a triple rear camera setup. Leading the charge is a 50-megapixel main camera with OIS. There is an 8MP ultra-wide angle camera and a 2-megapixel macro sensor. Now, as we all know, battery life is crucial. The Galaxy M36 5G gets a 5000 mAh battery with 25-watt fast charging support. बात करें बाकी फीचर्स की, there are AI features like Circle to Search and Gemini Live. So, that's a quick rundown of the Samsung Galaxy M36 5G. What do you think of the Samsung's new offering? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more tech videos like this.